What's up, everybody? Got a quick video for you today on how to install a Bee R Rev Limiter. Alright, one quick thing before we get started. All I have to say about these is it can shorten the life of your engine and your turbocharger. Can't say it'll kill it, can't say it won't, but I have run this on my car for 10 years. I have damaged one engine with it, and it could have been, just installer error on a part on the car, but take it with a grain of salt. That's all I have to say. But your Rev 1 is your actual Rev limiter. Rev 2 is your two-step limiter. And then your gain is the speed in which your ignition cut is. And then you've got these three wires over here. You don't do anything with those. You leave them alone. It's mostly for if you put it on a 4-cylinder rotary or a V8. So, and then you've got your wires you hook up. Your red is your 12-volt signal. Your black is ground. Yellow is your RPM. The green is your ignition signal, and the white is your switch to activate the two-step. So we'll go over here to the car, and I'll show you how I got mine wired up. Like I said, worked great for 10 years, and just recently this thing died. Alright, we're over here at the car. Got the ECU pulled out, just makes things a little bit easier. This is the middle connector on the ECU. The wires you're looking for is this green with a yellow stripe, and that is pin number 8. And that will get hooked up to the green wire on the BR. And then you flip the connector over, and then you're looking for pin 17, which is the green with the black stripe, and that gets hooked up to the yellow wire, and these just get teed in. You don't have to, cut the wires in half. You can just splice them in there, and you're good to go on that side. Alright, so when you get the green and yellow hooked up, that leaves you with your red, white, and black left. Of course, red, your 12-volt power. I think I stole that off, the radio or something like that. Your black, of course, is ground. You can just hook that to any good ground source. And then your white is your rev limiter switch. So the way I hooked mine up was I took and I ran a wire all the way over to the clutch pedal. So anytime you push the clutch pedal all the way to the floor, the system would activate. I think on their instructions, they say to wire it to the handbrake, so whenever you pull the handbrake up, it activates. Or you can just put it on a switch, a momentary switch, so whenever you push the button, it's active. And whenever you let it go, it turns off, the car drives normal. One thing to note is when you are actually hitting the rev limiter or you're on two-step, this little light here will light up and flash, and that's how you know that it's working. My car does shoot some pretty massive flames whenever I had it on there, so that's definitely one thing. Watch out for it because it can get you in trouble, and then it is loud. It will blow apart mufflers if they're really cheap. So just keep a lot of this stuff in mind because it can damage things on your car. And in case of one of my friends, it actually damaged their ears. So definitely be careful. But it's a quick video of it. I'll show some clips of the car with the two-step working. And that's it. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll definitely do my best to help you out. That's all I've got for today. You guys have a nice night.